Hi there, welcome to the video. In this video I am going to explain about the PHP for loop. Now let us understand the concept of PHP for loop. PHP for loop can be used to traverse set of code for the specified number of times. It should be used if the number of iteration is known, otherwise use while loop. This means for loop is used when you already know how many times you want to execute a block of code. It allows users to put all the loop related statement in one place. Now let's understand the syntax of PHP for loop. You should write for, then the first parameter should be initialization, which initialize the loop counter value. The initial value of the for loop is done only once. This parameter is optional. The second parameter should be condition, which evaluate each iteration value. The loop continuously executes until the condition is false. If true, the loop execution continues, otherwise the execution of the loop ends. And the third parameter is increment decrement, which increments or decrements the value of the variable. Now let's understand the concept of PHP for loop through a program. So you need to write for, then initialization. Let's initialize $i is equal to 1. Then you have to give semicolon, then the false condition in which the loop terminates. So I will give $i less than 20. Then the third parameter is increment decrements. Let's increase $i by 1. Now let's print the value of I. Concatenate br. Now it should start from 1 and ends with 20, and its increment by 1. So it should generate a number from 1 to 20. Let's save and see this output. It should generate a number from 1 to 20. Yes, it generates a number from 1 to 19. It did not generate a 20 because we have given the condition here I should be less than 20. If we give here equal to, it should generate the value 20 also. Let's see. Yes, it gives output 20. When the value of I becomes 20, the condition becomes false and the for loop terminates. If you want to give increment by 2, then we should give $i. So it will print a number from 1 to 20 and increment by 2. Then it should generate a odd number from 1 to 20. Yes, it generates a number from 1 to 20. You can give a nested for loop also, which is mostly used for matrix to print the matrix. You can give the $j is equal to also 1, and dollar $j less than or equal to 20, then dollar $j plus plus equal dollar $I dollar $j, then break this statement, prints the, let's see its output. Syntax error, unexpected variable $j expecting colon or semicolon in line number 6. Okay, we have like this. Yeah. Let's give a smaller value 5. It's difficult to understand is I have given a very large number. Yes, now you can understand it. So in the first step the value of I becomes 1 and the value of j becomes 1, so it will print 1 1. In the next step the value of I became 1 and j becomes 2, so it will print 1 1, then 1 2, and the third 1 3, 1 4, so 1 5. When the value of j becomes 5, it terminates this loop. Here is the condition: j is less than or equal to 5, then it will break the loop and the value of I becomes 2. Then again the value of j becomes 1. So in this way it will give the output. So this is all about the PHP for loop. In the next video I am going to explain about the PHP for each loop. Thank you for watching Technology 021.